Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Hi, you must be Charlie, the handyman.
Yes, good morning. You're Chelsea, right?
That's right. Thanks for coming.
No problem. What do you need help with today?
I have a few things to fix in the house.
Sure, let's take a look.
The first thing is the light switch. It doesn't work.
Let me check. Do you have a flashlight?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I'll turn off the power first.
Good idea.
Okay, I see the problem. The wires are loose.
Can you fix it?
Yes, just a minute.
Wow, the light works again.
All done here.
The kitchen faucet is leaking.
Let me take a look. Do you have the new one?
Yes, I bought it yesterday.
Perfect. I'll replace it now.
That looks great. No more leaks.
Good. Now what's next?
The light bulb above the sink.
Okay, I'll change it. Do you have a new bulb?
Yes, here you go.
Done? Let's test it.
It works. Thank you so much.
I also bought a new mailbox.
Nice. Where do you want it installed?
Right here, next to the door.
Okay, I'll drill the holes and screw it in.
That looks perfect.
Great. Anything else?
Yes, the shower valve is leaking.
I'll need to turn off the water first.
Sure, the main valve is outside.
Got it. I'll replace this old one.
Is it hard to do?
Not really. Just takes a few minutes.
Okay.
Done. The leak is gone.
You fixed everything today.
Happy to help. I'll write your invoice.
Thank you, Charlie. See you next time.
See ya, Chels. Have a great day.